Every time I updated one of these recipe graphics, I'd run into the exact same problem. You'd have a longer title, perhaps more ingredients, extra recipe steps. Suddenly the entire layout needed fixing. And then I'd spend another minute moving everything back into place. So instead, I rebuilt the layout to do the work for me. The title automatically scales to fit. The keywords stay inside their container. More recipe steps automatically expand the layout. The image resizes with the design, and replacing the artwork only takes a couple of clicks. It takes a little longer to build, but every future edit becomes dramatically faster.